welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today I have a very special video for you. Today's video is part of a collaboration that I am working with Decor-Yitahome. Decor-Yitahome is an online store on Amazon. They have so many beautiful things. They have furniture, storage containers, lighting, anything that you would want. And when they reached out to me and asked if I would like to collaborate with them, I was like so happy and excited. So I certainly agreed. And what I picked out was this C coffee table, or it's like a little side table, I guess you could say, that I thought would be perfect to go in my living room. So now we're going to put it together and I'll come back and show you how it looks. We are screwing our legs into these little screw holes to make the table very sturdy. And assembly so far has been pretty easy, so absolutely love it. So this is how our C table looks once it has been put together. I absolutely love it. It has so many uses. Right now I am using it as a computer tray or stand. While I am editing a video, I can use it for work. When I am working from home, I can come downstairs and not have to stay in my office all the time and use this little C table to hold my computer while I work. You can also use it as a small table to read a book while you enjoy a cup of coffee, or while you look and read at magazines for inspiration. So I'm absolutely loving this little C table. I would like to thank Decor-Yitahome for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link for their website down below, as well as a coupon code for 20% off your next purchase. So thank you so much, Decor-Yitahome, for asking me to do this collaboration with you. I will enjoy this little C table for many years to come. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well, I would appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. So let's take another look at our sea table.